This is blackmail material, anak. Anak, blackmail material. What are you wearing?
Oh no!
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is a Sunday, January 20, 2019, and I'm here with Baby River. Hi, baby. Why are you looking so handsome? So we are dressed as Barbie and Ken today. Wait lang po, wait lang po. Okay po, opo. Sige, sige. Yes, we are attending a birthday party. Birthday party ni Zed from Clingiva. So we are here getting ready. It's a grand play day today, and it's gonna be happening in Robinson's Galleria. So I'm just gonna feed this baby now, and we will be on our way. Bye. Yes. Hi, Momshi, Dada, and River, and Renny's there. And kami mga early birds, so maaga kami dumating. Mamaya pa yung party, so kain muna kami kasi gutom na ako.
Sayang wala na yung ano nila.
Ayaw mag-soft drinks. Good job, anak. Good job. Healthy
Wala na
living.
yung ano nila, yung busa ng ano. Ano ang tawag doon?
Ayaw ko ng root beer.
Ano ang tawag doon sa patino?
Root beer. Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Root beer. Ayaw niya, Dada. Pilitin. He knows how to eat healthy. Ay, gusto niya lang laruin. So guys, while waiting for the party, kain muna kami. Kasi I'm so hungry already. Sorry guys.
Subukan
So, kakain na lang ulit ako pagdating doon. Kids na.
Zed's birthday party theme is Thomas and Friends. It's one of the newest launched kiddie party theme of McDonald's, alongside with Barbie and Hot Wheels.
Hi, baby! Ay, tuwang-tuwa naman. Oh, smile, smile. Hi, baby! Wala, dito na daw siya titira, Dad. Higa kayo. Buti na lang natulog siya madami. Natakot siya sa magic. This is blackmail material, anak. Anak, blackmail material. What are you wearing? Nagluluto siya. Ginagaya niya tayo sa bahay. Campfire department. Yan. Oh. Dali. Costume ikaw, costume. Yay!
Grand Family Play.
One, two, three.
Welcome to the Grand Family Play Day. Alright.
One last. Okay, ready kids? In 3, 2, 1, say happy birthday, Zed! Hey!
We're here na sa favorite part ko, Chibugan. Eating time na, Ana? It's eating time! Wonderful. We're here sa second floor ng Kitsuna. Yung eating area nila. It's so big. Kasha. Ova, are you excited to eat? Ay, stop throw mama cellphone. Ay, naku naman. Buti na lang padded yung floor. Padded yung floor. Balloon! Yeah! Balloon! Yes! Oo po! Yes! Balloon! And lights, yes! Wala kasi city cup. So, ininom niya yung juice regular straw. Oop! One chicken. One chicken and spaghetti. Si Dada ko. Nandun sa dulo. Hi! Hi, Dada. Ay! Naglalaro na siya. Ano na maglaro? Hi! Uy, matusok! Sorry! Sa kanya kasi yan, Dada. Ayaw niya. Bakit ayaw niya? What are you doing? Umaatras! Umaatras siya! Umaatras ikaw? Mo? Tata? Busy pa, eh. Gusto pa niya maglaro. Ano? Ayaw magpabuhat. Ano nangyari? Dito ka nilang titira? Dito ka nilang ba titira? Ayaw na umuwi. Ang baby ko, dito na lang daw siya. Ay, sus. Hi. So, mami, tapos na yung party. Sobrang enjoy. And yeah. Hello. Sobrang enjoy si River. Ayaw niya nang umalis dun sa party kanina. We had so much fun. Busog kami. And as in, it's an experience magkaroon ng makapag-attend ng party sa Kitsuna. And the McDonald's theme was also very nice. It was, nag-launch pala sila ng bago nilang theme. Just this year, ang theme nila is Barbie and Thomas and Friends. So, nakakatuwa. Ang daming mga kids doon sa party na nag-costume and may nanalo din ng costume. Pero, na-enjoy talaga namin super on this day is yung malaking-malaking slide. At,
He's laughing! He loves
sobra, paulit-ulit kami dun sa slides. And si River din, mahilig siya sa slides. And yun, Ren, let's go, let's go! Dito na yung Grab driver namin, so we're running. Kasi para makasakay na kami sa Grab. Sakay na kami sa Grab. Ay, may dumating pala na package from Lazada. Nakakatuwa. Sulit na sulit yung pag-attend namin dun sa party. Kasi pagod na pagod si baby. Evidence. And pagod na pagod din kami. Pero super enjoy. We get to see our friend today. And we get to experience River in different costumes. Yun yung pinaka-the best part. So, I'm gonna post it on IG, yung mga pictures na nakuha namin today. So, if you haven't yet been following me on Instagram, my Instagram is @MamiRuthPH. And yeah, so ganun. I think I'm gonna close this vlog na today. I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood with us and nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what you want to do also on your kids' birthday party or ano yung meron sa Kidzuna or ano yung meron sa McDonald's party rin. And yun, nakakatuwa lang and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on the next video. Click like and subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye! Mwah!